So, a lot of you guys have been telling me for a while now to cover Samsung news on the channel. Well, guess what? It's finally happening. And honestly, there is no better way to kick things off than with the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Now, here's the deal. Apple should really start worrying because the Galaxy S25 series is looking like it's going to completely destroy iPhone 16 series in every way that matters. Because a new pair of renders has just leaked for the Galaxy S25 Plus and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, providing a modest look at two of the Samsung's upcoming phones. Well, the company is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 series sometime next month, which means there is still plenty of time before consumers will know everything about the new phones. We could talk about a lot of things here when it comes to this phone, but let's focus on the most attractive part, the bezels. So let's dive into that. Just look at this render of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, where the bezel seems practically non-existent. Even according to the Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will actually win the bezel game, having thinner bezels than any other smartphone including the Xiaomi's 15 and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Well, both of these phones can boast impressively small bezels, but the Galaxy S25 Ultra will take things one step further in this regard. Having said that, all of these renders are for the illustrative purposes, and especially these renders are not in high quality, but they still provide a look at to the upcoming devices, and they appear to be the marketing renders. So, think of these as a lower resolution version of what Samsung would show in the marketing materials after the Galaxy S25 series announcement, of course. But the thing is, the Galaxy S25 series gonna look like this from the front side. Anyway, Ice Universe also provides some detail about the Galaxy S25 Ultra's colorways. The blue one will have a light blue back and a silver with a hint of blue metal frame. The black model will come with a black back but silver frame. Presumably this is just the black, not the jet black color, which we can assume comes with a blacked out frame as well. This is how the smartphone gonna look like from the back side, but we have to wait for more confirmation regarding this look. So I hope after this video you probably know well regarding the design of the upcoming Galaxy S25 series, right? If yes, let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.